Hey everybody, Roger with Grower Solution. Wanted to talk for a couple minutes about thunderstorms and greenhouse preparation for a thunderstorm. And I know it's hard, but there's just some basic stuff you need to know about that. And really the best rule of thumb is you either have, it doesn't matter where your thunderstorms are coming from, whether they're coming from the southeast, whether they're coming from the north, west, wherever. You either need to have your greenhouse completely open, both roll-up sides open and the ends open, or everything's shut back down. Don't have, very important, don't have the far end, like our weather comes from the southwest. Don't have the southwest open and the other end closed. What'll happen is you end up having a big giant balloon, and that's when you have damage. It's very important, just remember, it's either all open so it can blow through, or all closed, and really preferred all closed so it can hit it and just bounce off of it. So hopefully that helps you a little bit. It's not a whole lot of information. I'm sure somebody else may say it's a little bit different, but I've used this for most of my life on how to handle it. I was taught that when I was young, and it's always worked for us. Listen, y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you for your business. We'll see you next time.